Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. For this week's video we are making donuts. So let's begin with this recipe. For the first step we'll need 1/4 cup of lukewarm milk. Then we'll add 3 tablespoons of sugar and we'll dissolve it properly in our milk using a spoon. Now, after adding sugar, we'll take 2 teaspoons of yeast and then we'll properly mix that into our milk and sugar mixture. We'll cover it with a lid and then we'll let it rest for 15 minutes so that our yeast activates. Till then, we'll make the dough. For that I'm using 2 cups of flour and then I'm adding 1/8 teaspoon of salt, or you can also use a pinch of salt. Then I'm using my activated yeast mixture and adding it to the flour. After adding in the yeast mixture, we'll mix it properly with flour, and now we'll use half a cup of normal room temperature water for binding our flour. Here I'm using the water, adding it slowly in parts, and then I'm binding the dough together so that we can make our donuts. Now it's time for the most important step, which is of course kneading. So we'll have to knead it till 10 to 15 minutes so that the gluten in the yeast activates and our donuts become less chewy and more softer. So let's knead it till 15 minutes. So now the second last step left for the dough is to add butter in it. We'll have to add 1.5 tablespoons of softened butter to the dough so that it becomes more softer. To mix that butter in the dough, you'll have to knead it till 5 minutes so that it becomes smoother and it gets completely mixed with the dough. So now for the last part, we'll take the dough, place it in a bowl, and then we'll grease some oil over it, cover it with a cloth and let it set for about 2 hours. Now after 2 hours of resting, our dough has doubled up in the size. On a flat surface, we'll dust some flour and then we'll knead the dough to punch out the excess air. We'll have to knead it for just 2 to 3 minutes and then we can start making our donuts. So now roll out your dough in such a way that it must have a ½ inch of thickness. After rolling out your dough, take any circular object so that you can cut out the shapes of donuts. You can make donuts as big as you want and also as small as you want. After cutting out a bigger circle, for your donuts, cut out a small circle in between so that it becomes of a shape of donut. Then cut some baking paper in the shape of square, dust some flour over it, and take the donut and place it over it and let it sit on room temperature for 15 minutes so that it also doubles up in size. Do not forget to brush your donut with oil before letting it sit. It has been 15 minutes, so now it's time to fry our donuts. Fry your donuts on the medium flame so that they do not overcook. Make sure to do this step safely cause you don't want to burn yourself, or you can use help of any elder. Now our donuts have fried. Now we can take them out of the oil. Now we move to the most fun part about making donuts is the decoration. Now I'm dipping my donuts in melted white chocolate compound and melted dark chocolate compound. I'll decorate them using some chocolates and some sprinkles. You may use anything you want. That could be even dry fruits, or you can even eat these donuts as they are. So guys, here we are to the end of this week's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, and also make sure to press that subscribe button if you haven't. And thank you so much for watching, and we are so close to 200 subscribers. I hope by this video we'll hit that, and thank you for all the love. Till then, stay tuned and bye bye.